Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to extrude in Blender. First of all, select the cube and then go to edit mode. Here you can see we have vertex, ease and face options. The If we extrude a vertex, it will create a line. If we extrude an ease, it will create a face. And if we extrude a face, it will create extra volume. First of all, let us see the extrusion of face. For this, we have to select the face option here and then select a face here. This is the extrude icon. We have actually 5 extrude options. These are extrude region, manifold and others. First of all, let's see what extrude region does. If we put our cursor and wait for a moment, we will see what it does and the shortcut key. First of all, select a face and then pull it. We can see if we pull it, we can pull it in different directions. For a constant direction like x, we press x and it fixes in the x direction. We also notice that the existing geometry remained in its position and extra volume is created. And if we pull it again, this portion will remain same and the extra volume will be created like this. Now, if we want to push it backward, we can see that the existing geometry remains here, but the new face is created inside. To solve this problem, we have another option named extrude manifold. Now, if we select this face and pull it inside, the problem is gone. Now, to show another variations, let's use extrude region again in this face. Pull it again, and pull it again. Okay. The next option is extrude along normals. A normal is the perpendicular direction of the face. Suppose if I pull this face, selecting extrude along normals, this face will go in the normal or perpendicular direction, which is currently the z direction. So to see the differences clearly, we have to make this face a curved face. For this, let us subdivide it a couple of times. Okay, to create a curvature, we will select a vertex and press O for proportional editing, and then press G to move it, and then to fix the Z direction we will press Z and use the scroller or scroll wheel to increase or decrease the proportional size. I'm satisfied with this one, and then go to the top view, select all these faces. Actually, we are in vertex selection mode, so we have to go back to the face mode, and then all the faces are selected. Now, if we use the extrude along, first of all, let's see what extrude region does to this. Extrude region just pulls it in the vertical direction, or we can change the direction of pulling. But if we do the same thing in this face, vertex mode, and then select a face, press O, press G, sorry, press O, press G, press Z. Okay. Now if we select faces again and go to the top view, okay. Now if we do the extrude along normal operation, you will see a variation. Sorry, this face was also selected. So this is extrude along normals. It pulls the faces about their normal and connects the whole geometry that is pulled together. Now let's see what extrude individual does. First of all, to show this, we need to subdivide it again. Think it's okay, and then make a curvature again. Select vertex, and I think okay. Now go to the top view, select these faces, and do the extrude individual operation. Now let's see what happens. The whole geometry remains connected, and in case of extrude individual, all the faces becomes individual members. We have another option left, and that is extrude to cursor. But for this one, we have to select the face we want to extrude first. So the difference between the extrude individual and extrude along the normal is when we press normal. Now let's see what extrude to cursor does. First of all, let's select a face. Let's select this one and go to extrude to cursor and then press. We are seeing that it is extruding the geometry to my cursor like this one. This option is actually fascinating, but I find it less useful as it has less control on exact locations. Now let's use our learnings and make a practical example.